When we vaccinate state employees, we protect citizens that they serve. When we vaccinate state employees, we protect state employees. And when we vaccinate state employees...
Governor Inslee making it clear to state employees, get vaccinated or you will be fired. Today, the governor announced that most state workers and workers in private health care need to be vaccinated by October 18th. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Aaron Luna. Nia Wong has the night off. Alex Crescenti tells us who will be impacted by these requirements. Alex.
Aaron, in Washington, there are almost 500,000 state workers and health officials, and outside of a few extreme exceptions, every single one of them will have to receive their final dose of the COVID-19 vaccine within the next couple months.
None of us wish we had to be here today, but this pandemic rages on, not just across our country, but across our state.
Secretary of Health Dr. Umair Shah not mincing words, saying the large number of unvaccinated people are the big reason why the state is seeing a rise in COVID-19 cases.
We know that the overwhelming majority, something like 95% of recent hospitalizations are for people who've not been vaccinated. Today, this is a disease of those who have not been vaccinated.
While the requirement only extends to the governor's cabinet agencies, contractors who are working on state property, and health workers, it does not apply to K-12 schools, higher education institutions, judicial branch, and employees of separately elected officials. The governor's office tells us since there is not a Department of Education within the state, Inslee does not have the scope of authority to make that decision. This decision also means that Washington State head football coach Nick Rolovich and other members of the staff will not be forced to take the vaccine. Inslee saying he understands the hesitancy to a new vaccine, but now is the time to get it.
But now we have had over 300 million people take this vaccine safely. Over 165 million Americans are already successfully vaccinated. This vaccine has now been arms for over a year, safely and effectively.
Now, there will be no mask mandate going into place at this time, but the governor made it clear today if cases continue to rise, that is going to be an option. Reporting in studio tonight, Alex Crescenti, 4 News Now.